Welcome to my creative channel to watch more interesting and innovative videos on natural language processing with machine learning using Python. As we have gone through many videos on natural language processing such as conversion from speech to text, I have done it using command prompt, then conversion from speech to text and text to speech using command prompt, then convert from text to audio using command prompt, and many more. We also seen our latest video was conversion from speech recognition, conversion from translation of audio in Hindi, Marathi and English, means translation in speech in Hindi, Marathi and English. Today's video is really creative and interesting. It is about conversion from speech to text. I have done it using Streamlit on web. So let us go through the program. So this is all about the code. Now I will execute the program. So first of all we will see only through the sound. Sunday. Yes, fine. Yes. Now we will see on the web with camera on. Sound only. We are seeing sound only. See with video. Sunday. Fine. Fine. Yes. So my American English is little bit not comfortable, so pronunciation might be some issues. So I successfully done with speech to text recognition using Python using Streamlit. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and if you will subscribe my channel, I will be more innovative. I will be more innovative to create new videos on natural language processing. So keep watching my videos on natural language processing on my YouTube channel, and keep watching new latest videos of Python. I have done a lot of videos on Python, lot of specialization in Python videos. So if you want to know about Python, so keep watching my videos on youtube channel.com. So thanks for watching.